Hey guys, it's me, Bruce2. Today I have an unboxing of the new 15-inch MacBook Pro. This is the 2.66 gigahertz one, I believe. Let me check. Yeah. It has 4 gigabytes of RAM and a 320 gigabyte hard drive. I'm getting this as a little bit of an early birthday present, and it's going to be my computer for college, among many other reasons. So yeah, that's about why I'm getting this. On the front, there's just a picture of a MacBook open. On the top, you have pretty much nothing here. You just have a handle and all the specs for the MacBook. On the front, it says MacBook Pro 15-inch LED backlit widescreen notebook with a side view of the MacBook closed. Side of the box, just the MacBook Apple logo. Here it has what's inside or what's included, or just some features of it. iLife, the NVIDIA graphics, and the unibody enclosure. So let's get this started. Okay. And there it is here. There's just a big foam pad here. Let me move this up a little bit. This right here is just a big foam pad. And then here's the computer itself. This is the 15-inch, as I have said. I have not bought a case yet for it. So yeah, here's the MacBook. It won't open yet. And really neat packaging here, guys. This right here is everything Mac, everything else. A polishing cloth, which is nice. I always like those. Instruction book. And here are the CDs, I believe, for it. CDs here with the Mac logos, stickers, certificates, applications. These are just the reboot stuff. Get this out of the way again, and then here we have the cords for charging it. And that's it, guys. There's nothing else. As you can see, you can't even lift this up at all, really. At least you're not supposed to. And yeah. So this is about it. I'll pause it now, guys, and I will probably show you guys the boot up. And yeah, so I won't make this too long. Just pause it for a few seconds, get everything set up. Okay, guys, see you in a bit. Okay, guys, my battery's died, but let's just get going here. I believe all you do is this. Okay. And from there, and there we go. Okay guys, so right now it's booting up and the Mac logo is on the screen. Okay, use English for the main menu. I'm gonna have to get in here, guys.
English.
Yeah, I got that. Keyboard is now lit up. I'll zoom in. Okay, yeah. Continue. US. Yeah. Okay guys, it is telling me thank you, and I can now back on my computer, do all the stuff that they advertise I can do. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to click go. The only thing that you guys miss is me entering some passwords. Like my iTunes ones, and they wanted me to do a mobile me trial. And there we go. So this is what it looks like so far, at least. I'll probably do some changes and I will keep you guys informed. But also, I wanted to show you guys something. Just quick. Put it down to, okay. As you guys can see, probably better, my iPod is now all scratched up, and I'm going to probably go into Apple, with the Genius Bar, and see what they can do, because that's what the guy there told me in a not-so-nice manner. But that's alright. So yeah, they're pretty deep. I did already have some scratches, but I just dropped this, and I didn't think it'd be that fragile, and I have dropped my iPod before, but maybe it just finally gave way. I'll zoom in more. And as you guys can see, yeah, they're pretty deep. They're not that good, but I can still use it. See, watch. So, I mean, it's not that big of a deal, it's just cosmetic. But anyway, guys, thank you for watching. Please comment, rate, and subscribe. Check the links in the sidebar. And this is Burst 2 signing out. Peace.